I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. And again, this wig is from RPGSHOW. This is their chocolate brown lace frontal wig, which is in a ombre style. So before I actually get into styling, I want to go ahead and check out the hairline on this wig because it does come with a pre-plucked hairline and it is on the light side. It's not very heavily plucked at all. So if you're a girl that don't like for your wigs to be over plucked, this is a perfect hairline for you. And honestly, right now I'm liking it. It is plucked pretty good for my liking as of right now. I will go in later in the video and pluck a little bit more, but not too much. So yeah, girl. Oh, and by the way, this 13x6 wig is on a Swiss lace, so that's why the lace definitely looks like it's giving scalp, and it blends so good into my skin. So of course what I'm going to do here is just go ahead and remove the lace and make sure I cut around my ears so that the wig lays flat on my head. And right here, I'm going to slow the clip down, and I'm also going to zoom in so that you girls can really get into the pre-plucked hairline on this wig and see how well it blends into my skin. Again, keep in mind, I don't do any type of glue for my install, so this is what the hairline is looking like. Definitely melted into the skin, and also I have not used any type of spray just yet, but I wanted you girls to really look at the hairline on this wig. It is so beautiful.
All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living, nothing conventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun and friendship. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't.
So I'm going to be doing a bust down middle part on this 13x6 lace frontal wig. And as you girls can see, once I part the wig straight down the middle, it is a clean hairline, so I don't have to worry about going in or plucking or anything like that. But I do want to use my hot comb to just smooth out the hair and just make sure the wig is as flat as possible. Now this wig did not have any flyaways, which I can always appreciate when it comes to RPGSHOW. But again, like I said, I want to make sure this wig is super flat.
Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Now, I definitely did not have to apply any type of spray for this wig because it is a really good fit, but I did want the lace to melt more into my skin. So what I prefer to do when I use any type of holding spray is pull out some of the hairs around the hairline and then spray the lace directly and then push the hairs back into the hairline. For me, it just keeps the wig from getting like hard and stiff, especially like around the hairline, and then when it's time to like brush or comb the hairs back into place, as you can see, it goes in smoothly with no problem, and it's not like stiff and hard. So I just prefer to do it this way. Oh, and I did decide to go in and pluck my hairline, just only on the section where I pulled out the baby hairs, because the hairline was already plucked pretty good once I flat ironed everything, but I did want the section where my baby hairs is to be a little bit more on the thin side. So yeah.
Never sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I freak up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-time baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-time baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in a
Right outside, PT. Two-time baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-time baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Okay, girl, listen. Do y'all see this wig right here? Do y'all see how this hairline and the lace has literally disappeared? This wig is so pretty, y'all. But to melt the lace a little bit more, I'm going to go in and tie the hairline down with the RPGSHOW headband. I highly suggest that you do this, especially if you want that true meltdown effect. So I am going to cut some layers in this wig and do some curls because that's just been the vibe I've been on lately. And I don't know, like I've been practicing this style for so long now, or not too long, but like at least a couple months now. And I feel like I really do like this look on me, and it's more easier to achieve now that I practice more and more with this type of style. So I'm just taking a razor comb and going straight down and taking my hair section by section. Girl, listen, one thing about the T3 curling iron is it is never going to fail you. Look at how soft and fluffy these curls look. So right now I'm just going to run my fingers through my curls. I don't think I'm going to go in with any more cutting as far as layers right now because I don't know, like I just feel like the layers is falling perfectly right now. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. See, I told y'all got to use the band on y'all wigs because it definitely gives more of a melted look. And as you can see, girl, I'm here for it. But anyways, like I was saying, I'm not going to go in and cut any more layers right now because I feel like my hair is falling in places that I want it to fall. But I am going to go back in and recurl certain sections so that I can achieve the look that I'm going for. This install turned out so freaking cute. I love the hairline on this wig, love the curls, love the layers, just everything about this wig is perfect. If you follow me on social media, then you have seen me rock this style on several different pictures. You've even seen me put this wig in a ponytail, and when I tell you it looks just as pretty as it does in this video, girl, the ponytail was ponytailing, okay? So I'm gonna make sure I leave the description on this wig below. Also, make sure you check out RPGSHOW right now because they are having a big Black Friday sale that you definitely don't want to miss. And you might want to get your hands on a couple of the wigs that they have on the sale, especially if you have been eyeing some of the wigs here on my YouTube channel. So yeah, girl, thank you for watching, and I'll see you girls in the next video. Bye.